Hey guys, we're vlogging. We're gonna make this into a YouTube video. I got my little pouch. I put down my shorts. But it's mom, that's Adam. Elena's in the bathroom. We're gonna go kayaking. Should I take my hair down? Okay, sidetracked. Anyways, we're gonna make TikToks. See you guys in the car. We made it to the car. Okay, Mom, are you excited? No. No? Why not?
Should I be?
Yes, you should be excited. Adam, are you excited? Yeah. Elena, are you excited? Oh, okay, y'all are lame. You're supposed to be like, yes, I'm so excited.
Rah!
Rah, USA! I'll see you guys on the boat. We stopped to get food. Okay. Bye. Mom, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. We have made it to the van to get to the canoe.
What are we doing? Kayaking, canoeing?
Canoeing. To the canoeings.
To the canoeing.
There's Adam. Adam! Hey! Okay guys, we made it. There's Adam, there's Elena, there's Mom. Okay, see you guys on the boat.
Oh my gosh.
We're lost on the kayaks. We're supposed to be watching fireworks, but I ain't seeing no fireworks. I'm listening to Bella K. Yeah. Bella K, I love your music. It's great for kayaking. This might be a canoe. I really don't know. I don't know the difference. I just know I'm paddling and my hands hurt. Low-key.
Yeah, we still got a way to go.
There's Adam and Mom. There's Elena. So, I'm done. I'm gonna attempt to talk to y'all. Oh, kayaking. Y'all are not gonna survive on my leg. Y'all are gonna end up falling over. Hello. Y'all are in my pouch to make sure my phone doesn't get wet. But I'm listening to Billie Eilish now. You know, Mommy Eilish. And I'm rowing, and my arm is really hurting. But my mom pulled up the directions, so she knows where she's going. I'm pretty sure we just left like the other half of the group behind. And the fireworks are just going off. But I can't see them. I'm getting kind of mad about it. It's like so patriotic. We're just flirting now, okay? Hey guys. My hands pain, I tell y'all. Never kayak. Never. Unless it's something you're into. If you're into the hand pain. I'm not. It really hurts. Alright, but I'll talk to y'all. I'll update y'all in a little bit. Hello vlog. Never again. We just got back. My butt is soaked. Okay, my butt is soaked. I'm cold. Okay. It's a kitty outfit. Mom, come say hi to the vlog. Adam, come say hi to the vlog.
I'll come say hi wherever
Say hi
it's
to the
at.
vlog.
Hi vlog.
Gang.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay guys, we're home. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. subscribe, and maybe you'll see some more videos like this. And yeah, we do a lot of random side quests, like going canoeing in the middle of the night. I mean, we explored a cave the other day. Maybe I'll post a video about that, you know? But I really hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, like, get my stuff out there. Bye.